In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring all your work into one place with Monday.com. Organizing your work is crucial for maintaining productivity and preventing any task from slipping through the cracks. Fortunately, Monday.com provides a seamless way to consolidate all your tasks and projects into a single space, making it easier than ever to manage everything efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com website. Locate your preferred web browser on your device and simply type in the URL. Once the page loads, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. This is where you'll access your personal Monday.com workspace. If it's your first time signing in, you'll be prompted to connect using your Google account or the email address associated with your Monday account. This ensures you're securely connected to your workspace. However, if you've signed in before, you'll be seamlessly directed to your Monday workspace where all your boards and information are stored. Now let's dive into how you can bring all your work under one virtual roof. To begin, we'll focus on moving boards to another workspace, a straightforward method to consolidate your projects. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see a list of your boards. Select the board you wish to move. Next, click on the three dotted icon beside the board's name. This opens up a menu with various options. Hover your mouse over the Move To option within this menu. By doing this, a pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to choose Move to Workspace. Here you can either type in the name of the workspace you'd like to move your board to, or simply select it from the list of available options below. Once you click on the desired workspace, your board will magically relocate there, making all your tasks accessible from one place. Repeat this process for any other boards you need to transfer. Consolidating your workspaces ensures that your workflow remains organized and easily manageable, no matter the size or scope of your projects. Bringing all your work into one place with Monday.com not only fosters efficiency but also enhances collaboration with team members, as everything you need is contained within one streamlined platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage all your tasks and projects in a single cohesive workspace within Monday.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly organized, productive workspace.